Okay, so up next we have the net will fill out automatically once you input the new members versus cancellations. And then from there you'll go down to total cancellations. So just basically you're going to calculate the total deductions of EFTs that you will experience in the last month, right? So I just go from these cancellations, and then you can get this number right here. Boom. So both Naya and Ezra will both be losing us $100 each. So that would be 200 or $198 total, and then I would just input that there. 180. Yeah. Right. And then that would help us out with our percentages. So that's basically how to get the total canceled EFTs. The next one, which is monthly retention, will automatically do itself as well.